All right, Jay, here's your 347 small block Ford, used Christmas combination. Got a set of our covers on. Got some grind hydraulic roller, Holley manifold, fuel management, Holley Terminator X, first up wall pan. Set of our ass cast heads. We'll go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,500, 405 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 420, peak horsepower 452, rated 440, so everything's good. Do now pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean, show you a couple things here. See if you're in, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information. The crate will be this engine spec sheet. Highly recommend reading it all. Have a great day.